With regards to the basic refrigeration cycle, what would the condition of the refrigerant at the outlet of the evaporator be? Let's follow the path of the refrigerant. It is discharged as a high pressure temperature into the discharge line, feeds the condenser, converts to a liquid, leaves through the liquid line, and finally feeds the metering device where refrigerant for the first time experiences a sudden pressure and temperature drop to begin the boiling process of the refrigerant at a low pressure and low temperature inside the evaporator. If the evaporator is working correctly, it will absorb tons of latent heat from the medium to be cooled, which is blowing across the evaporator coil. If it's working correctly, all of the liquid fed into the evaporator should be boiled off to a vapor. This allows the evaporator to have a maximum capacity for heat absorption. Therefore, when the refrigerant leaves the evaporator, it should be a 100% vapor state. But because it's still colder than the air blowing over the evaporator here in the last few passes, that 100% vapor will continue to absorb some heat energy from the air blowing across the coil. It causes an increase in sensible temperature of the gas and therefore superheats it above its evaporation temperature. The answer to the question about the state of the refrigerant at the outlet of the evaporator is really asking you what is the state of the refrigerant as it enters the suction line. And the answer should be a low pressure superheated gas.